Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. I hope you had a lovely weekend. Of course, this morning we're going to take a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. If you enjoyed this morning's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well, so you can stay up to date with all of our latest videos. All right, let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are mixed this morning, but leaning slightly to the green. We have the Dow futures up 0.17%, S&P 500 futures up 0.04%, while NASDAQ futures are down 0.05%. The Tesla stock has had a fantastic month, growing over 50% in this last month, but is now down about 5% in the pre-market as Elon Musk has been tweeting again this weekend. This time, he's been asking followers whether he should sell 10% of his Tesla stake or not. The results are in, and this sale would be worth about $21 billion. Elon heard from over 3.5 million followers, and the results were about 58% in favor and 42% against. Musk said he would abide by the results of the poll whichever way it goes, and said that he doesn't take a cash salary or bonus. He only has this stock. Thus, the only way for him to pay taxes personally is to sell the stock, citing the debate over unrealized gains being a means of tax avoidance. Always divided among analysts, plus recent growth surpassing most of the buy ratings out there, the Tesla stock is currently rated a hold with about a 30% downside. Lucid Motors has revealed the newest location for their Lucid Studio in Washington, D.C. This will be the 11th studio in the growing Lucid network. This Lucid Studio will be opened up at the Tysons Corner Center. The Lucid Studio design provides options for the full Lucid Air lineup of luxury and high-performance EVs. This includes the Lucid Air Pure, Lucid Air Touring, and the Lucid Air Grand Touring. Notably, each Lucid Studio offers a digitally oriented luxury experience according to each customer's preferences. The opening of the studio follows first customer deliveries of the fully reserved Lucid Air Dream Edition. Their stock currently rated a moderate buy with an average downside of 44% as recent growth once again has surpassed many price targets. AMC Entertainment has announced their plans to expand their business into the multi-billion-dollar popcorn market. AMC, who has been selling popcorn in their theaters since 1920, plans to sell their AMC Theaters Perfectly Popcorn via 4 new platforms. They plan to open 5 AMC's Perfectly Popcorn stores in the first half of 2022, and not only this, AMC's popcorn will be available through food delivery mobile services for home delivery from nearby theaters. They also plan to offer to-go packages of freshly popped popcorn, and later in 2022, it'll be available in supermarkets and convenience stores around the country. Their stock is rated a moderate sell with an average downside of 71%. And shares of cybersecurity company MCFE jumped 20% in after-hour trading Friday after the Wall Street Journal reported it was in the final stages of talks about its sale to Advent International for $10 billion. Citing people familiar with the matter, the report said the deal was likely to be announced today on November 8th. If the deal goes through, it'll come at a time where there is a rise in cyber attacks due to a shift in remote working culture as a result of the pandemic. This has led to an increase in demand for antivirus and digital security software. Analysts currently rate the MCFE stock a moderate buy with an average upside over 11%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. In the pre-market this morning, we'll be hearing from companies like Trade Desk and Berkshire Hathaway B. And in the after hours, we'll be hearing from some big names like AMC Entertainment, PayPal, Clover Health, Roblox, and Virgin Galactic. Just this morning, we heard from beauty company COTY, who came in ahead of expectations for their first fiscal 2022 quarter. COTY reported adjusted profit of 8 cents per share on sales of $1.37 billion. This was compared to analyst predictions of 2 cents per share on $1.14 billion. This also compared favorably to their adjusted loss of 1 cent on revenue of $1.12 billion in the year-ago period. The company also boosted their fiscal 2022 sales outlook to low to mid-teens growth from previous guidance of low teens growth. Their stock currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of over 13%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by EVgo after it was announced that they were awarded grant funding by the state of Pennsylvania to expand the availability of DC fast charging stations. Under the ticker EVgo, their stock is currently up over 15%. They're followed by Proterra under the ticker PTRA. Their stock is up also over 15%. On Friday, it was announced that the California Energy Commission plans to install one of the largest EV fleet charging systems, and they selected Proterra to help with this. And the TAL Education Group under the ticker TAL, they're up over 13%, and I couldn't find any distinct news. Our biggest losers this morning are led by 51 Job Incorporated after some complicated updates on their going private transaction. Under the ticker JOBS, they're currently down 31%. They're followed by Tesla under the ticker TSLA, down about 4% now following the news of Musk possibly selling. And Toast Incorporated under TOST, down also over 4% after they announced an early IPO lockup release. So that's going to be everything for Monday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic Monday, and I'll see you back here next time.